Hello, my name is Stephen Batish. I manage the Applied Sciences group here at Microsoft. I'm joined by my colleague, Moshe Letz. To be like a window, essentially using digital technology to give the user the illusion that the object or person that they're looking at is standing right there in front of them, one must implement three very unique techniques. The first technique is called Stereopsis, and this is where each eye gets its own unique image. The second technique is called a view-dependent rendered image. It's essentially Parallax. And what it is you change the view that the person's looking at as a function of their head relative to the frame. So when you're looking through a window, it looks like so. And the third image is called focal accommodation. And this is where the objects that you're focusing on are at the proper depth and the proper focus. Today we're just going to show you the first two techniques in this research prototype that implements those two techniques simultaneously. So here we have a 3D display that we've created at Microsoft using our own unique optics technology called Wedge Optics. And because we know where the user is relative to the display, because we use a head tracking technology, and in this case Connect, we're able to turn on the right LEDs for the user to put the right image at the right eye, depending on where the user is. So for example, as Moshe moves his head left and right, in the camera, you're indeed looking at two stripes. And those two stripes are indeed two very unique images, the left eye and the right eye. And you can see they're actually following Moshe. And so these beams of light are being steered out in the air using this wedge optics, and thereby creating a 3D display, this stereopsis effect without the use of glasses. Super cool. I'm really excited about this technology. The second technique is this view-dependent rendered image. And here we have to change this live view as a function of where Moshe is looking at, depending on where his head is. And to do that, well, we've actually taken this motorized rig and physically moving the cameras around. So when Moshe turns his head left, he's looking at the left side of the teapot, and when he turns right, he's looking at the right side of the teapot. The combination of these two techniques really creates this sense of illusion, this sense of realism that the objects that you're looking at are indeed there. So the combination of these two techniques, the ability of creating a stereopsis image where you're sending a unique image, one to the left eye and one to the right eye without the use of glasses, plus this view-dependent rendered image working simultaneously using a live stream, gives the user the illusion that the object or person that they're interacting with is physically right there standing in front of them, and it gives the user the ability to look around the person and look around the room that the person's in, and brings the communication between these two individuals to the next level where they can interact in a much more natural and seamless way.